Hey, how's it going, guys? Well, we got another special roll-up vacuum to showcase on Roll-Up Masters. This is the Onson J10c. This is the only roll-up vacuum that I know of that has two distinct cleaning patterns. The first cleaning pattern is the whole house cleaning mode, which does a back and forth cleaning pattern using its gyros and accelerometers. So unlike other traditional smart roll-up vacuums which have just a single pattern, which is found on more expensive roll-up vacuums as well, this guy has a crisscross pattern. I haven't really seen this on most roll-up vacuums. There's only a couple models I can recall that have this capabilities. The J10c doesn't stop there. For smaller areas, the robot vacuum can do a random pattern, so it's great for picking up dirt and debris because it goes over that area multiple times. So in this video, we're going to look at the J10c. We're going to go ahead and do the unboxing. We'll check out all the features and see how good this little robot vacuum can do. Boo! I know I'm scary. Yes, how's it going? My name's Nathan. This is Robot Masters. So how's it going? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What do we have here? Wow, this is the Onson J10c, the latest robot vacuum. And thanks so much, Onson, for sending me out this robot in exchange for a review. I do try to keep my videos unbiased, so I just showcase how the robot works, its features, and if it cleans or doesn't clean. Okay, let's get started. So let's go ahead and check out their website. They do have a website, www.onsonlife.com. You can just Google search Onson and it should pop up. So what's nice about this website is they have a bunch of different products. They got the F007, they got the F007c, the J10c, which is what we're going to review here. They also have some stick vacuums. And if you scroll down below, they have a comparison chart. But it's a nice one-stop shop. You know, you can order the robot vacuum directly from the website, get the customer service, any accessories you need, support, it's all right there. So, awesome job, Onson. Okay, let's check out this box. Get out of here, smartphone. Here, it's ultra thin. I believe it's like 2.81 inches. So it can definitely get under your carpets or, what is that? I think it's called a mattress, no. Alright, so let's check out this box here. It says Onson with a magenta green background versus a white background. Very interesting color scheme. I wouldn't say it's the most colorful box, but it's definitely a step up from the plain old cardboard stuff I've been getting. I know, why would you just do a plain cardboard box? Who knows? Anyways, it says, make your daily clean much smarter. Yeah, I need a daily clean much smarter. Thank you. And you got the robot itself, and down here is the ultra thin, about 2.86 inches. So definitely get under your couches and beds, very nice. It's designed for medium carpet and probably low profile carpets, hardwood floors, tiles. And on the box it says 2100 pascals, but I believe the website says 2000, but I'll let them know that there's a minor discrepancy in pascals. But the 100 pascals isn't going to make it too much of a difference. Okay, let's go ahead and get this guy spun around. You got either white or black, so I got the black color. And here's some more information. You guys can see that. Alright, let's check out some of the features in the back. This robot's quiet, so. And we also can go along the walls, so there's a dedicated edge feature. You can control it by the remote control or the app. You also have charging auto. Yes, this guy does go back to his docking station to recharge his battery. Very nice feature. You have a manual. I'm so glad they can include a manual because these things can be super complex. And lastly, we have intelligent detection. What? Can it detect me? Or is this, what, a person? Is it speaking? I don't know what that symbol means. And here's some more information. It has 26 milliamp hour battery. Can go up to about 2 hours of cleaning. It has a fine new upgraded technology. What? What is that? More intelligent and more sensitive clean residue along with every wall and corner. Wow, okay, that's some crazy acronyms. Fire new upgraded technology. Okay, so 2100 pascals, a powerful suction, and yes, you got the customer service and phone number right on the box. So great job, Onson. So if you have any issues with the price, just give them a call. 1, 2, 3. No flappy lid. Sad day. Alright, let's try this again. Get these flappy things open. I will pull out this cardboard boxy thing. Okay, so we're done with this box. Let's get that out of there. There we go, Onson. Wow, I just posted it right there. And yeah, okay, cool. Quality service. So there's their customer service card. Can you guys see that? Hopefully my camera's focusing. Very nice. We got the instruction manual. Let's go ahead and open that up. So here's your quick start guide. Very nice information. So it kind of tells you what to do and what not to do. So don't listen to my advice. Also, here's Onson itself, the little manual. Yeah, it's not a colorful manual, but it definitely gets the job done. Tells you all the features and how to set the robot up. Cool. And here's another manual. So make sure you guys read this manual, it's very important. Okay, so I also have a frisbee, very, very cool. Let's check this out. Whoa, it flew like 100 feet, that's amazing. Okay, so let's keep on going. Yep. So there's everything that's included. It's very nicely laid out. Looks like we got a filter. We have the handheld remote, some AAA batteries. Very good job for including the batteries in the box. Charging base, you got the robot itself, you got the power adapter, and that's it. Let's go and get this guy opened up. So here's the extra filter. If I can get opened up. Very nice little, I think it's a double filter. Here's the pre-mesh filter, and this is the primary filter. So cool. Let's check out the remote control here. Alright, let's see if we got a cool sound here. Whoa! That's amazing sound. Can you guys see that? Alright, we got the auto button. We also have a home button or return to charger. We also have a directional control panel. So yes, you can steer the robot, play pause. Looks like we got a scheduling feature. Like on most of these robot vacuums, you can schedule up on top here with a little screen. You also have the alarm. So if you lose your robot, you can just press it and it will beep at you. You also have a spot clean mode, the edge clean. You have I guess a smaller area clean and max suction clean. So very, very nice little handheld remote doggy thingy. The pairing process to the app is super simple. Just search Onson in your app store. Once you have the app downloaded, just create a new account. Once you have the robots up, you can just select J10c for your model and just follow the instructions. Super, super simple. Whoa, you guys scared me. I didn't see you guys there. Well, there's the interface. It's exactly like the handheld remote. Let's keep on going. Some AAA batteries, sweet. More plastic baggy thingy. So here's our power adapter. And it does give you a nice little power wrap cable. So yes, you can wrap this up. And it looks like this power adapter supports the 100 to 240. So yes, you can take this overseas. Should work no problem. Just get your correct prong adapter. Sweet. Look at this, guys, more accessories. Wow, this is crazy. I'll get back to the robot in a second. You got a cool little cleaning tool. Yes, I can do my eyelashes, everything. No, actually, this is for the extractor bar. Help clean out the hair and clean off your robot. I do like they give you a cleaning tool. We got some magnetic strips. Very nice. More magnetic strips. Sweet. Extra side brushes. We got the main side brushes here, which I'll kind of show how to put them on in a second. And lastly, we got the docking station itself. Cool, so it looks like most of the other docking stations, nothing too crazy. And yes, you can wrap the cable around in behind here. And you got a little slot for your remote control. Very nice. Alright, so to tell the robot to go back to its docking station, you can either do it on a handheld remote or on the app. Unfortunately, you can't do it on the robot itself. I kind of wish there was a dedicated home button, but for the most part, it's fairly easy to get the robot to go back. And if it feels like it's done cleaning, the robot will automatically return back to its docking station. Now, you may notice that purple light. I really like the color. It kind of gives it a cool, futuristic look, and that indicates that it's charging, and once it turns blue, it's fully charged. Alright, so there's some instructions on how to set up the docking station and where to put it. Sweet. Alright, let's keep on going. Got a baggie here. Says the on button, very nice. So switch on before use. Got your protectors right here. Okay, can you guys see this? It actually has like kind of like a wood grain finish, which is very unique. I actually like the design of this. It gives it kind of more of an upscale look. Even though this robot's all plastic, does kind of look like it has a wood finish up top. So very nice Onson. I like that they add a little touch to the product, give it kind of that premium look to it. Just give you guys a 360 spin of the robot. There's that physical bump sensor with the infrared sensors, and you got the 500 milliliter dustbin in the back. Check that out. There's the back of the robot. This dustbin is very similar to the other vacuums I've seen, very similar design. This guy's about 500 milliliters, and up top here is the filter. So yes, they include 2 filters. You also have the ability to open up the top and empty out the dust. One thing that's kind of odd is there's no flappy thing to help prevent the dust from falling out when taking out the robot. So just be very careful when removing the dustbin. But overall, it's a pretty cool little dustbin. Can you see this label? This is actually more instructions. So if you ever have any troubleshooting issues or errors, just listen for the beeps. And depending on how many beeps, it will tell you what the error code is. Very nice. Should just slot back in. I do like the dustbin's clear and it's easy to remove with just a single hand. And now to empty out the dustbin, just grab the top and bottom and you can just lift up and the 2 flaps open up. One thing to know is there's no flappy thing to prevent the dust from falling out the robot, so just be careful when removing the dustbin. Let's go ahead and check out underneath the robot. You got your front wheel caster, you got your charging contacts, and let's go ahead and put on the side brushes. They're all kind of cool, they're kind of long. We'll see how well they do if they spin super fast like on the Scenic or if they spin a little bit slower. Okay, so all you have to do is just kind of press them down on the little grooves here, and they snap in. Pretty simple. You also have the information right here, the adjustable wheels. You guys see that? Yes, this guy could go up to like, I think 15 millimeters in threshold, so it can definitely climb over some obstacles. Let's check out the extractor bar. Just remove this back plate here. Here's a look at the extractor bar. Very cool. And it looks like we can't remove the ends. So luckily you have that cleaning tool. So just kind of pay attention to the hair getting wrapped around the ends. Just kind of have to pick at it a little bit more. This inside the robot inlet, and you got that little red power button. I do like that they covered up, so if you have any moisture, it won't get inside the electronics. Cool. So the extractor bar is pretty easy. Just kind of line it up to the one side, press down, and you put on your cover plate. I think that's everything with that robot. Sweet, let's keep on going. I'm gonna get it charged up, and warning, no parts or robot packages will harm. J10c does. Hold on. Okay, for this cleaning challenge, I went ahead and got my trusty scale out. Gonna weigh out the dry dustbin, which is 9.510 ounces. I went ahead and zeroed out my scale for the glass pan. I'm gonna do a mixture of debris, do powder, do small pieces of candy, large pieces of candy. We'll also do some plastic beads, and we'll see how well this vacuum can pick up these types of material. And since the dustbin's 500 milliliters, I decided to do about 2 ounces of dirt material. Don't tell Sparkles I am going to use some of his Lucky Charms. I hope he didn't count each individual piece. Okay, let's go and set up the testing stage.
La 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 la. I'm just going to check out my precious bag of Lucky Charms. Wait a minute. What? There's only 6,004. There used to be 6,038. Nathan, did you steal some of my Lucky Charms? You know what? I hate this. I quit. You can find another magical unicorn.
For this challenge, I'm going to start the robot vacuum on its auto mode on its max power mode at 2000 pascals. So the robot starts on one side of the room and works its way across to the left. Alright, let's see how well this robot vacuum can do with these roller mats. So the first one's about a 1/4 inch and the second one's about 1/2 inch. So the robot vacuum can get up there, it just has to take it at a different angle. I did find that this robot vacuum is fairly quiet, even on its max power mode. Alright, take a listen. Here on this channel, I've reviewed a bunch of different types of vacuums from different manufacturers. I've done gyro-based, camera-based, slider-based, also a combination of both. But for gyro-based navigation robot vacuums, they are able to do larger floor plans, also can navigate around obstacles and keep track where they've been and where they need to clean. There's 2 distinct smart navigating patterns, the first being a back and forth cleaning pattern first, and then filling that area with a perimeter sweep. The second pattern is a perimeter sweep first, kind of like on the Roblox, then it fills in with a back and forth clean pattern. But there's a third one that's very rare, that's a crisscross pattern. Now there's only a couple vacuums that I know of, like the Lambot A1, that has these capabilities, and I really think all vacuums should have a crisscross option because it really helps pick up the dirt and debris that I missed on the first run. Okay, so it looks like the robot's almost done, so it's going to finish up with the perimeter sweep, and then once it's done, the light will actually turn purple, indicating that it's going back to its docking station. Okay, let's check out the results and see how well the Onson J10c did. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my scale and wait till it's 0 out. Now, one thing I do is I do run the robot prior to doing this challenge, so it kind of helps break in the filters. I don't use a brand new filter, so it doesn't represent the real world. These filters are being used prior, so it looks like we're at 11.18 ounces, not too bad. I'll go ahead and do the math and put the results on screen here, and here's how much it picked up. The Onson J10c is a multi-purpose robot. It also has the capability of doing a random pattern shown below. So in a small kitchen like this, it's great to have a random pattern so it covers the area more than once. I decided to put some obstacles down, like a box, also some shoelaces and a sandal, see how well the robot does navigating around these objects. Now towards the back there's some chair legs, so we'll see how well the robot was able to go around those chair legs as well. You may notice that black strip that's down near the bottom of the video. Well, that's magnetic boundary strip. The robot vacuum comes with 2 of them, so it's nice that you can cover up areas or entryways. I have found that you can put a small carpet or a rug over it and it will do fine, being able to sense that and not go across that boundary, so it gives a nice clean setup. So if you like this type of review video, please smash the like button. Really helps the video out, also helps gauge if this video is popular or not. I did put a like pillow down in the background, so it kind of helps remind you to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. This is Robot Masters. So I do a lot of head-to-head challenges with vacuums. I also do review videos, unboxings. I work with a lot of manufacturers, so it's great to try a different variety of vacuums. So it helps me see what's the pros and cons of these products and what tends to be the problems with these guys. Well, it looks like the robot's almost done, so it's going to go ahead and search out its docking station. It's kind of unique how it kind of just bounces around until it finds its docking station. So my best advice is put the docking station in an open area and make sure there's nothing in front of it at least 6 feet, so the robot has the best chance of finding its docking station. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to wrap up this video. We're almost done. So the J10c is not a bad product, especially for being under 200 bucks. I do have a 15% discount down below, so check out my links if you want to save some money on this product. So this is a good primary first vacuum or someone that's looking for a secondary vacuum. There's a lot of great features. Also has a spot clean mode, an edge clean mode, and that app capabilities allows the robot to update its features over time through Wi-Fi. So this is a great little product if you want just a basic, easy to use vacuum. Alright, so have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time.